Today, I'm going to show how you all can install an AI model directly into your USB drive and run it without any internet connection directly from your computer's hardware. First, plug in a USB drive, then come to the Windows Explorer and right click on the drive and click on Format. Then you should select exFAT or NTFS. So here I'm choosing exFAT and you should select Start. Now you have to open PowerShell and then you have to go in the directory of your USB drive. Use the command cd and this is the letter of my USB drive. Based on your machine, you would have a different letter name, so choose it accordingly. After this, head over to your browser, go to ollama.com and then go on the download button and then copy this command. Then come back to PowerShell. Before pasting it, you should first write this command. This tells the Ollama to install in your D drive instead of your host machine. And then you paste a command and then press enter. Now, the installation will take some time depending on the USB's read-write speed and the network connection. After the installation is complete, head back to the Explorer, open your drive. In that you can see a directory called Ollama, which has all the server files. Now, right click and create a folder called models. This is the folder where all our models will be saved. Now, go back to the PowerShell and follow these commands. You should first change the directory to Ollama. Then we can see files which are there using the ls command. Now we will use ollama.exe to start our server, but before that we need to set an environment variable which will tell our Ollama to use the USB's models directory to install models instead of the host machine. So first you need to type this command. According to your drive letter, change the command. Click on enter. After that, you have to run ollama.exe. So this command will start your Ollama server. Make sure to run this before running this. Here, you all can get an error which can tell the server is already running. So to stop that server, I'll just quit the Ollama which was already running and start the server again. This starts the server. Once the server is running, open another PowerShell tab and navigate to your USB's directory. And if I do ls, we can see we are inside our USB drives directory. Now go inside the Ollama directory and run this command ollama.exe pull followed by the model name. Here I'm going to use Quen model. You can use any model according to your choice. As you can see, it is 4.7 gigabytes and it will take some time to install depending on the read-write speed of your USB. So if you're using a USB of 3.0 version, it will be much faster than the version 2.0. And we have installed a model. Now to run the model, we will use the command ollama.exe run followed by the model name. And this should make our model run. And now you all can chat with this model. For the ease of use, I've made a bat file which you can find in the description. Copy this text and you just need to right click on the USB drive, click and make a new document. Open the document and paste the command. Save the document as start.bat. Make sure to use .bat extension and click on save. Make sure it is in the USB drive. Save. Here is our start, and from the next time I can just close this, and the next time I want to run the model, I'll just double click on the start, and here I will just need to type my Model name. This will start the server with the environment variable already set and also run a model. So next time you want to run a model, double click on it and it will just make things easier for you.
And here we can test it by saying it to give us a code in JavaScript to fetch an API using Axios. Now you can see it is working and also giving us the code that we asked for.
And here's how you can run the model. Use this on a local machine. It is independent, so you can just carry it around anywhere you want and you can plug it into most of the PCs and it should run. Make sure that the PC has at least 8 GB of RAM. Make it run more smoothly, otherwise it will become very slow. And that's it. Thank you.